In this video, I'm going to show you how to change font in Affinity Designer. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what I'm going to do is drag out some text here, and then I'm going to add some text in there. So I'm just going to go ahead and go like this, call this test. Now, in order to change the text, I'm just going to go ahead and center this. Now I'm going to highlight the text like so, and to the top we've got this little box here where we can play around the sizing and all that stuff. So from here, if I want to change it from Arial, I've got all this different text I can change, and as you can see, as I change it, it's going to change on the fly. So if I want to do this Gothic style, I can. Also, I can change it from regular to, there might be more options depending what font. Now you can see the font size, we can increase the font or decrease like so. We can change the case, we can underline it or make it bold, but because I'm using this Gothic G, it's not going to give me all the options. We can change the color. So if I want to change the color, I can. So yeah, that's how to change the font in Affinity Designer.